It took me 20 years to figure this out, but I'm going to explain it to you in less than 90 seconds. 20 years ago, I started my fitness journey the summer I was 17 years old, and there were a lot of ups and a lot of downs. From then to today, I developed 3 important rules that I still follow to this day. Here they are. Rule number 1, if you go hard, you could fall harder. Rapid fitness transformations are temporary. It's a journey, not a race. Remember, slowly, surely, consistently, permanently. Rule number 2, food is not an enemy, it's an ally. Food is life. Don't restrict. Rather, discover nutritious foods that nourish your body and soul. Rule of thumb, more whole foods and less, but not never, processed foods. Rule number 3, strength, mobility, stamina, and most importantly, happiness is much more important than physical aesthetics. You look good, but do you feel good? You look good, but are you functional? Work out to have a healthy body and mind. Put your health first and your body will follow. Those are my 3 fail-safe rules that I've been following. Follow them, keep them in your back pocket for a successful journey. You got this.